All right, I have about an hour and a half drive ahead of me, so I figured this would be a good time to do this. I apologize if this seems spotty, but I kind of got a lot I want to talk about, and my thoughts are all jumbled. So this video, or this portion, might be a little jumbly and a little weird. So if it's spotty, I apologize, but that's why. This week's video is not going to be my last fishing trip. I went into that with the intention of not making this video or that video anytime soon, but things happened, and I got pressure to make the video and pressure to not make the video. And I did think about making it, I'll be honest, but there was no benefit. There was no benefit to me, no benefit to you, and no benefit to the people that are involved in it as well. So I'm going to start by saying that. Now the situation, it was the location. It's a very good location. It's widely known, but it's a kind of a, I don't want to say secret spot. Let me address the secret spot thing first, and my opinions on the secret spots. I don't like them. I don't agree with them. I don't believe in them. Nobody owns the water. If you have a pond on your property, then fine, you own that. Nobody owns the ocean. You might own access to it, but you don't own public access to it. Now I understand certain places have certain parking problems. I understand that, and I get that, which is why I don't say locations. I don't say launch points. I don't tell people where I am in my videos, for the most part. I'm not going to hide it. You will never see blurry backgrounds. I'm not going to edit things out of my videos to save spots. That's not the way I do it. I also know that is why I don't get a lot of invites. And I'm okay with that. Because if I had a killer spot and I invited Joe and he told the rest of the world, yeah, I'd be upset. So I understand it. And I respect it to some degree when I'm in one of those places. Like last Thursday. I woke up, and it was for two reasons. I woke up at 12:30, left my house at 1 o'clock in the morning, drove to the spot, was there by 2:30. My buddy who I fished with, running a little late, so I ended up taking a nap. But we did that for two reasons. One, we know it was going to be kind of a busy day. We know, a lot of people aren't working right now because of the whole Corona thing. So we knew there was going to be more people than an average Thursday. Also, I'm in Striper Cup, as I got the shirt on. So, we were hoping to run into some stripers early that morning. So it was twofold for waking up that early. But because we did, we got great parking. That's what happens. Other people who came later on did not get good parking, and some people, I guess, may have had to go home. I don't know. So we went fishing and had a phenomenal day. And pretty much everybody out there that was there had a phenomenal day. I didn't hear any screaming. I didn't hear any fighting. I didn't hear any issues whatsoever. We've had, as people were going by us as we were fishing, we heard, oh, I can't believe all the parking spaces were gone. That kind of talk. But there was no issues that I saw. And there are no issues that I saw or that I've heard of in the parking area. There could have been. I don't know. I have not heard of any. I don't believe the police got called. I don't believe there was any fighting, any arguing, any screaming, kicking and screaming. Nothing to my knowledge. I could be wrong. I was not in that parking lot. From 3 to 3, I was fishing. So I don't know what happened in that time frame in that parking lot. All the fireworks happened when people got home and they got on their Facebook and their Instagram and they went crazy. They were upset. And I understand it. Like I said, I understand it. But what bothers me is the out-of-staters got blamed. We got targeted because we're not from in-state. Like I said, I was not at the parking area from 3 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon. I was not in that parking area, so I don't know for sure. But I'm guessing the in-staters far outnumbered the out-of-staters. So why we got targeted kind of bothers me. Now, after hearing reading and hearing about all of this, I got enraged. And I said, you know what? Screw those guys. I'm going to post this video, and I hope it blows up the spot. Cooler heads prevailed, and I'm not going to do that. So I was enraged so much that I wanted to go on to Facebook and all these posts and say, you know what? Then I don't want to see you in any other state than your own. That's basically what you're saying to us. Cooler heads prevailed, and I didn't do that. I respect those anglers, and I am friends with many of them, and I'm not going to do that. Instead, I personally would like to invite all those guys, and girls probably, who felt that us out-of-staters took your fishing spot. I say come down. Get a hold of me. I'll take you out fishing onto my spots, which most of you know of anyway. But I will take you out. I have no issues. The water is there for everybody to enjoy. That is my, I don't want to say purpose, but that is my attitude and my philosophy on why I've made this channel, to show people that may not necessarily, want to take or thought about taking a kayak out into the ocean to try. If this dingbat can do it, anybody can do it. That's where I come from. That's my thought process and my philosophy. So, if you feel that I wronged you, please get a hold of me. I will do my damnedest to make it up to you and take you out for a day fishing. Absolutely. Let me know. So like I said, I'm not going to make that video until that bite has died. It is such a short window in that location that a couple of weeks from now, it's going to be gone. So I'm going to hold on to all that. I'll probably make the video, but I am not going to post it, upload it for a while. Because that's not the way I operate. I also would like to go back to that spot. I'm not going back this year. I'm a one and done this year. Absolutely. It's too crazy. Everybody's going crazy with the coronavirus and being locked out, and you know, yada yada yada, and worried about spots being closed. You know, so I get it. I don't necessarily agree with it, but I get it. So I'm not going back there this year. I'm going to go elsewhere. But I would like to be able to go back there without having any issues. So I'm not going to blow up any spots. I don't do that on purpose anyway. I'm sure in the past I have given a glimpse where someone went, oh, hey, I know where that is. I never thought to fish there. I apologize for that if I ever did. That's not my intention. But I'm not going to purposely hide things either. If I have good footage and it's got a certain lighthouse in the background and it's fabulous footage, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. So instead, because I got pressure to make the video and to not make it, I'm going to kind of go in between. I am going to use a portion, a little teeny bitty teeny weeny portion of that day to make this video. It's catch and cook. I hope you enjoy it.
Guaranteed to get what you need, and that's what you want, what you want. Sometimes I am like a wave on the sea. That's when I feel like I'm totally free.
Alright guys, since everybody doesn't seem to believe me that the sea robin is a good fish to eat, I figure I'll do a catch and cook. So I have a sea robin in that their cooler there. So let's start by filleting it. For you southern people, this is a sea robin. It's got wings, and this one only seems to have one claw. Oh, there's the other claws. It's got these claw-like things that kind of walks on the bottom. And it's got these wings. It's a very, very strange fish. And it's got a hard head. But it's really good eating, people. Ah, big sea robin. Ah, that's what I want. There we go. There we go. Huh? I'm catching dinner. You ever try one of these? Oh, the Bubba? Yeah, I saw that. Oh. Meet your neighbors. Oh. Here's the fillets, guys. I mean, this was a smaller one. I only kept it to do this video. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have kept it. But this will make some nuggets. We'll fry them up, I'm sure. Alright guys, so there's the fillets. Not the biggest in the world, but there's not a lot of meat on a sea robin. And that was, an average size. And I only caught that one, so this will be just a little snack kind of thing. I got some homemade chips that I made earlier. So we're gonna give this a go. So first, you obviously dip it in the egg wash, and then bread it with your breadcrumbs or your flour. Either way. So let's go. Get both of them in there. Plenty of room with these two little things. This is only one egg. So it looks like there's a lot in there, but the fillets are kind of small. So that would be why. And my oil is hot. So once I get them breadcrumbed, I can throw them right in. Alright. Oh, I don't feel like getting my hands too icky today. Then we're going to cheap it out. Alright. If I can do this one-handed without making too much of a mess. Alright. So, let's drop the bucket down. Drop it in. There they are. Two little sea robin nuggets. So we're out in my little sunroom here. So let's see how this is. There we go. Let's give this a try. Looks good. Really good, guys. I'm done. Sea robin. You gotta try it. It's a weird fish, but man, is it good. I think I have my oil a little too hot, but that's why it's kind of brownish. But it is really good, guys. Nice white flaky meat. It does not, no fishiness to it at all. Nice white meat. Give sea robin a try. It's really good. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I know I was a little long-winded in the beginning, but I will make that video at some point. My trip tomorrow, that will be coming up as well. So we got some good things going on. Even though a lot of people are still in lockdown, you can still get out and you can still fish. So take advantage of that. Just, do all the safety precautions and with the whole corona thing. But, you got to get there early because it's going to be crowded no matter where you go, or what you're doing. So people are starving to get out. So be safe, and please like and subscribe. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you out there.
And that's what